Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of Debneel's Mathematics Desk. So as you can see, this is part 2 for the chapter of linear inequations for class 8 named as number lines. So we are going to a very interesting part actually. So before starting my video, a huge thanks to all of you who have supported my channel so well till now. Keep supporting my channel and keep leaving likes and share and subscribe. If you found my videos and all the things that I do in my videos informative and helpful, it motivates me actually to make better videos for you all. Okay, so let's focus on the topic then. So it is called number lines. So it is now named as number lines. So something related to drawing might be coming here, right? So lines, what is a line? This is a line, straight line. Suppose there you go, I have drawn a line. Now number lines, does that mean that 0 1 2 3 4 5 like that? Yes, it's a kind of that type of a means system. So I am going to explain to you what is number lines. First of all, learn some things today which are going to come in handy in a few of sums. Okay. Before going to number lines, let me just get you used to these. One, see this. Suppose you are given a form like this: minus a less than b. Suppose this is there. Then, guys, this is equal to what you know. If this minus goes to the height of b, then the sign will get changed. Equal to a greater than minus b, or let's write it in the below part. Remember this thing: if minus a is less than b, then a will be greater than minus b. If minus goes here, sign gets changed. And similarly, for minus a, suppose greater than b, a less than minus b. You understand the system? Now again, for minus a less than equal to b, a greater than equal to minus b. Minus a greater than equal to b, a less than equal to minus b. Okay. Therefore, I'm writing therefore here. Therefore, okay, so these are four separate. Separate gap for each of them. These are very important things. They have been very important concepts that you should know. Okay. So four things I have told you till now. Just see, the sign will get changed when the minus is getting shifted to the other side. And we know on the LHS the negative sign should not be present. So that's the reason I am explaining these things to you. Okay. Some more things are there. This one, see. If it is given to you minus a less than minus b, suppose, then a will be greater than b. If you cut off this minus from both sides, then also the sign will get changed. Similarly, if minus a greater than minus b, okay, sorry, then a less than b. Again, this is 6. Then for 7, minus a less than equal to minus b, then a is greater than equal to b. Minus a greater than equal to minus b, then a is less than equal to b. Just see here what you are doing. When you are removing the minus, the sign gets changed. Okay, I'm writing again therefore, and I will give them everyone their own space. Everyone is a separate identity, right? Okay. Remember all these things. The basic concept is what? When you are in first case, you are shifting the minus sign to that side from LHS to RHS, the sign will get changed in each of these cases, as you can see. And in 5 to 8, this is 8. When you are removing the minus sign from both sides, then the sign is getting changed. So these two concepts that are going to come in very handy in the sums that we will do today. Okay, now let's get into our main protagonist, number line. So number line is a very cute thing. So let me draw here. Number line, it is like this and it is on two sides with two arrows. Okay. That's the basic concept of number line. Okay. Now you tell me, among all the numbers, who is the central person? Means he is the means barrier, suppose, between this world and the other world. Suppose negative numbers is a world and positive numbers is a world. Who is between? Zero. So zero also is like between this number line in the middle. So here Mr. Zero is there. Written like this. Zero. Okay? That is zero. On the left side of zero, all the negative numbers will be written like -1, -2, -3, -4, and it will keep going on. Alright? So let me just do that like this. It will be like this. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. And on the right hand side of zero, all the positive numbers will be written like this. Like this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it keeps going on. That's the system of the number lines. In the center of the number line, the number 0 is there. On the left hand side of 0, all the negative numbers, and on the right hand side, all the positive numbers. Just in the case of normal means integers type numbers. Okay. So this number line, it is endless. Okay. We are means drawing up to a length. That's why these many values can fit. Now, suppose I have got a means solution. X is less than 1. Okay. And suppose x is belonging to natural number. So let's see, x is suppose less than 3. And x belongs to natural number. So what you have to do is, first of all, draw a number line. And you will be given a means solve this inequation, find out the possible values for x. Suppose after solving the equation, you get this, x is less than 3 and x is a natural number. So see this, natural numbers less than 3, they are not infinite, they are 1 and 2. So when you get the possible values for x as finite digits, means not infinite, not uncountable, they are countable, means 2 to 3 values like that. So what you have to do is this. So x is less than 3 and x is natural number. So 1, 2 are the values, right? So you have to means do like this. Put a dot over both of these actually. I'm trying to do it. It's hard on a number line to draw in sketch pen, okay? But I will try. So let me use another type of pen. What do I have in my house? Let me see. Yes, like this. Put a dot here and then like this. Okay. That's how you have to do it. So you understood what you have to do? When there are means no number, means uncountable numbers are not there. The solution, the number of possible values for x, suppose it is means countable. Like in this case 1 and 2. Then you have to means separately means darken the numbers, the digits, the top of them in this means suppose this line like a means with a dot like this, and then just make it a little means fat, what you can say, in deep, because these two numbers they are means separate. So you'll make this line as a means suppose this type of width, but you will make it a little bit more thicker. Yes, thicker is the actual term. Make it a bit more thick, and then these two numbers label them separately. Okay. What else thing you can do is like this. Suppose you got 1 and 2 as the answer. Okay. And you can do just darken them like this. You understand how they did that? We have means finite values, not infinite. So when you have finite values, just darken the finite values. Okay. Okay. And natural numbers less than 3, 1 and 2. But what if I say, suppose, what if I say x is greater than 3, comma x belongs to natural number. Now I am coming to this part. Now see, suppose another inequation I have solved, and I have got the possible values of x are, it is greater than 3, okay, and it is natural number. So natural numbers more than 3, they are infinite, right? So what you have to do then, what is the system? So this is infinite. The number of digits should be infinite in this case. For that case, we have two types of things. Let me explain. So this is a number line. Now for the second case. So what you have to do? Here now see. When you have these signs, suppose less than, greater than, you have to put a dot like this, a hollow dot, over the number that has been specified to you. Like this. Suppose here x is greater than 3. And first this one also. For suppose if it's less than equal to and greater than equal to, then a darkened dot will be there. I will explain what is this. So it is less, x is greater than 3. So what I will do is I will put a hollow dot over 3 like this. It's not a darkened dot, it's a hollow dot. Okay. And then what will I do? See, greater than 3 means what? In the positive direction, there will be infinite numbers. So I will just means deepen this line a little bit. And here, just leave it here. Why? Because we can't draw the number line till the means in last natural number, which we don't know what is it. So what you have to do? The number line's length you have taken. Here it is greater than 3. So in the positive direction, just means up to the last part, darken it. Like this, means thick it, make it thicker, the line. And it is greater than 3. So this number 3, over it, put a hollow means circle, not a means deepened circle. So that's how you have to means do the number line of this type of equation. If it comes to you, x is greater than 3, infinite set actually. Greater than 3, how many natural numbers are there? We don't know. So in the number line, put a hollow circle over 3. Okay, and then the next means after that from this part 3, 4, 5, this line just darken it. Okay, suppose it was x is greater than 1. Now I will put a hollow circle over 1, and from 1 to this part I will darken it. Okay, means make it thicker, the line. To specify, that is the solution set. It's going endless. Draw to the last of the line because it's an endless set, and that's how you solve it. Now coming to, so hollow circle is for this type of signs. X greater than 3, x less than 3 means, and for less than equal to and greater than equal to, we have the darkened circle. Suppose this was another set. Okay, where's my black pen now? I need to my black pen. Yes, come. Suppose x is greater than equal to 3, comma x is a natural number. Okay, so let me just rub it a little bit. Yup, I'm not good at drawing, I know that, but you have to get used to this. Okay, alright, now we have it. See again what is the case. Here again x is greater than equal to 3, that means equal to 3 and greater than 3. And greater than 3, how many natural numbers are there? We don't know. So what, here also the same case. Here also over this 3, because it is a greater than equal to, we will put a darkened circle. Like this it will be. My pen is making me mad. A darkened circle, that's the main principle. Okay, put a darkened circle over the number given. Okay, like this. If it's greater than equal to, less than equal to. If it's less than or greater than, then put a hollow circle like this, not darkened circle. And the same system again, it is greater than, for this equal to sign, this darkened circle is coming. Okay, x is equal to 3, so put a darkened circle over 3. Then x is greater than 3, so then do this, just deepen it. Okay, just consider this. Okay, it's endless, it's greater than 3, it's going endless, right? So I have deepened out this part. X equal to 3, I put a darkened circle over 3. For this equal to, the darkened circle is there. And x is greater than 3, for that I have deepened this number line for proceeding in the positive direction. for natural numbers greater than 3, 3, 4, 5, and goes on. That's the system of natural numbers, okay? Which you have to follow. Remember, greater than and less than, then hollow circle will come here for the given number. Greater than equal to or less than equal to, then over the given number, the darkened circle will come. And for this infinite series sets, you have to means deepen the normal line in the direction it is going endless, okay? And for means finite sets which have a fixed number of elements, it can be counted, you have to separately specify the elements, okay, like I've shown you before. So we will be doing all these type of sums to make you clear about this, no worries. So let's begin. I hope you can understand all these. So I am rubbing it now, except for these signs. I am keeping these signs in one side, okay, so that you can understand. Okay, blue pen going to hibernation mode as expected. Don't worry. See this. Okay, greater than and less than or greater than, then hollow circle, less than equal to or greater than equal to, then like this, darkened circle. Okay, that is the system you have to follow. And these formulas, okay, remember them. I'm telling you repeatedly that. So let's begin with our questions now. Without a questions, what you can do, right? You're question dependent people. Everyone is. So given here, see, x minus 5 less than minus 2, comma, x belongs to natural number n. Solve for x and represent on the number line. Now what I will advise to you is, when you are drawing a number line, no, draw a big one. Like suppose the dimensions of a scale you have 15 centimeters suppose. So like that draw. In the middle I have to write 0, 0, 0, and here then the positive numbers on the right hand side. Okay, I'm taking a big number line so that I can satisfy the values. Here on the left hand side the negative numbers. Let it between -7. Okay, I can't proceed more. So suppose this is a number line. Now first of all let us solve this equation. Okay, x minus 5 less than -2, or I shift this -5 to the right hand side, it becomes +5. X less than -2 plus 5, or x less than -2 plus 5 is 3. So x is less than 3, comma, x is a natural number. Therefore x equal to what? So see, when you are having means finite number of elements, no, write them in the roster set. So natural numbers less than 3, they are 1 and 2. And what you have to do is you have to represent this 1 and 2 in the number line. That's all. Now what did I told? For a finite number of elements for x, you have to separately put dots on those numbers to specify them. Okay, so let's do that. Whom do I take? So 1, 2, right? Suppose this is 1 and this is 1. So I know it's not that well. If you just use some other color, then it turns clear for you. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, I'm using blue now for the marking. So we have to means darken these two numbers like this in this center. Okay, this blue is not working, not responding more. So don't worry, we will manage. Well, this somehow is looking better, I hope. So just understand this. What we have done is we have darkened these two numbers, okay, so that we can specify that these are the two numbers for the values of x. As x has defined number of values, darken the numbers separately, okay. No hollow circle or darkened circle. Just darken the numbers to the darkened circle, each of them. That's the system for definite numbers. Now, this is the question. So you understood, we solve the equation. Natural numbers less than 3, 1 and 2, represented them on the number line. Very easy. Let's solve a few more. This is a good thing. Okay. Those who are new to number lines, just focus on the basics. This is very easy and it's fun as well. Drawing number lines and finding it out yourselves, it's a good challenge actually. So you will concentrate. Let's focus. Next question. Question 2. Minus 3x plus 12 less than minus 15, comma x belong to R. Solve for x. Represent on number line. Now, one thing I told you, for integers, natural numbers, whole numbers, finite sets can be there, but for real numbers or decimal numbers, fractional numbers, there can't be finite sets, okay? So what you have to do is here, it will be infinite set, I'm telling you from the beginning. So get ready with the rules that I have told you for infinite set. If it's greater than or less than, then hollow circle on the given number. If less than or equal to or greater than equal to, then darkened circle on the given number. And suppose greater than 3, then on after 3 on the positive direction till the end of the number line, thicken the number line, okay? That's the system. So we will now try to do, let's see. First of all, I am drawing this number line for you. Okay. So here 0 on the middle. It can't always, it will be the exact middle, I don't know. But I am estimating it if it's the exact middle or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep doing until your number line comes to the end. Okay, my one is coming to end at 9. Okay, can draw bigger lines, but don't draw it so big that it destroys the page only. Okay, draw at a means good level, not too small, not too big. That's it. Minus it. That's okay. Let it be up to this. This is the number line, suppose. Now let us solve this equation given to us. Minus 3x plus 12 less than minus 15. If I shift this 12 to that side, it becomes minus 12 or minus 3x less than minus 15 minus 12 or minus 3x less than minus 27. Now what did I tell you? This formula, see, minus a less than minus b, minus a less than minus b. Therefore a greater than b, therefore 3x greater than 27 or 3x greater than 27 or x greater than 27 by 3 or x greater than 9. Okay, comma x belongs to R. For real numbers, leave it here, okay? Don't write in roster method. Alright. So see, let's solve the equation, and this was a very important formula again. See, that's why I wrote it in the beginning. Minus a less than minus b, then a is greater than b. Then solve it accordingly. Now, x greater than 9. So this is an infinite series. Greater than 9, how many real numbers or decimal numbers, any numbers, whatever they are, we can't tell how many they are in number, okay? So it's an infinite series first of all. So for infinite series, what do we know? Less than or greater than sign is there, then hollow circle, and greater than 9 is there. So we will put a hollow circle on 9, okay? Like this. I will put a hollow circle. Okay, my blue pen is gone into not responding mode now. Not good. Like this, okay? There you go. Black is doing the whole work here. Just let it be like this. A hollow circle on 9. Okay, I'm just extending it a little bit to means make you understand. Okay, first 10 11 more numbers are there. Now see, it is now what do we know for infinite series? When you put the hollow circle or the darkened circle on the given number, now see, greater than 9, that means after 9 on this direction till the number line ends here, we have to make it thicker. Okay, so let me do that. I will make it a little bit thick. Okay, it looks thicker, right? Yes, it is. Well, I know, I hope that you can understand this. It's not that hard. Okay, why does it get rubbed out? I don't know. Yes, that's okay. Okay, so that's the system. Okay, this means what? After 9 greater than that means it's endless. So after 9 it's going on. That's why till the end of the number line we have thickened it. And on the number 9, as greater than 9, we have put a hollow circle on 9. Greater than or less than sign, then hollow circle on the given number. Less than equal to or greater than equal to sign, then darkened circle on the given number. Here it is 9. And then thicken the line till the direction it is going endless, nothing else, till the end of your number line. That's the answer for this question. Okay, so I will keep this number line, I will not rub it, because in every question number line will be there. I will just change the questions around. Okay, so let's solve the next one. Okay, all right, now it's okay. Number line is already with us, he's our best friend. Question 3. Now they are telling us 8x minus 8 less than equal to minus 24, comma x belongs to z. Solve for x and represent on number line. Same questions will be there, just the equations will be different. Okay, all right, that's the question. So first of all, so z, so integers are there this time. This is not 2. Okay, this is z. First of all, let us solve this equation given. Okay, why did this get rubbed? That's not fair. Okay, yeah, that's right, that's it. So let's solve the equation first. Or 8x minus 8 less than equal to minus 24. So less than equal to sign is there, that means darkened circle might come into the game. If it's an endless one, if it has defined number of numbers, then we will not put any darkened circle, we will specify the numbers. Okay, now 8x minus 8 less than equal to minus 24, or so 8x less than equal to what? I shift this minus 8 to that side, it becomes plus 8. Minus 24 plus 8, or 8x less than equal to minus 16, or x less than equal to minus 16 by 8, or x less than equal to minus 2. So that is the solution, and x belongs to z. That is the solution. Okay, now you tell me, x is equal to minus 2, that is the integer, and x less than minus 2. How many integers are there less than minus 2? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and keep going on till you means die. Like that. Okay, it's endless. There are endless integers less than minus 2. Okay, so this is the endless set. So we will have to use the system of darkened circle or hollow circle. But see here, less than equal to sign is there. So what is the rule for less than equal to or greater than equal to sign? Darkened circle will be put on the given number, which is minus 2 here. So we will put a darkened circle on minus 2, like this. Done. Putting a good darkened circle. Okay, why does it get rubbed? I don't know. Okay, let it be like this. See, I'm doing and it is getting rubbed as well. Not fair. Okay, like this suppose. So I put a darkened circle on -2. Okay, now in a negative direction of -2, after -2, less than -2, that endless means integers. So I have to thicken this line less than -2 in this direction. Less than -2 means -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. And it keeps going on. So in this direction, it will become a little thicker. Just do that carefully. Why does it get rubbed, man? This is weird because the number line, why I don't know, it's been rubbed. But still, I will try. These are problems with the sketch pen, okay? So no worries. I will just try to do it like this, okay? First of all this, then I draw one. Right under it for you. I am not good at drawing. Okay, the first time it was going good. Now it's not that good. I know. Okay. So what we can do is we'll just try to do like this. Yeah, this is okay. Darken it like that. Okay, so try to understand this, okay? Here what have I done is I have tried to darken it. After -2 in this direction it will get darkened or thickened because in after -2 in this direction it is going endless. Endless integers are there less than -2. And we have put a darkened circle on -2 because less than equal to sign is there. The rule is if less than equal to or greater than equal to sign is there, then put a darkened circle on the given number. So we have done that. That's the number line for this question. So focus on the rules and see the equations. You can get the sets and see that if it's endless or not. If endless, specify means use these rules, these two. And if not endless, they are define a number of values, separately mention them. Okay. So let's solve. I'm not rubbing the number line, I'm just rubbing the question. Number line will be there in every question, so I'm not rubbing it. I have to actually because this number line will mean see like the previous question. So black pen now is wanting to sleep. But my black pen is almost over. Complete the session, then the black pen will be resting. Okay, not now. So let's solve on the next. Okay, next question. Very easy again. Just see the equation. 4. Question 4. 5x plus 4 greater than 8x minus 11, comma x belongs to z. Solve for x, represent on number line. Okay, so again there is this time what? This time a greater than sign is there. So we know the rule, if it's the endless set, then we will use hollow circle on the given number after the solving of this equation. Okay, I'm just fixing the number line, repairing it. So let's see the equation first. Okay, first of all solve the equation. Without it you can't do anything. So or if I shift the x terms to one side and the constant terms to the other side, 5x minus 8x greater than minus 11 minus 4. Okay, or minus 3x greater than minus 15. Now Minus a, this rule. Minus a greater than minus b. Then a less than b. Minus a greater than minus b. Then a will be less than b. Or 3x less than 15. Or x is less than 15 by 3. Cancel these two out. Or x less than 5, comma x belongs to integers. Very cool. They want to fool us with that. So now this is good. It will make us, means, little bit harder for us. Okay, nothing else. So what is hard? Actually, it's hard for me to darken it here. Nothing else. The copy you can just simply using pen darken the line. So it will be an endless set. Why? Less than 5. How many integers are there? No one can tell. Okay. In the positive direction, there are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But in the negative direction, it keeps going on. First of all, this is an endless set. So you will use these rules. And here less than sign is there. So put a hollow circle on the given number. 5 is there. So put a hollow circle on 5. Come on, at least a circle should be. Yeah, that's okay. Let it be. And see this. Less than 5. So from 5 till the end of the number line till here, it will get thickened. Because it's an infinite set for integers. We don't know how many integers are there. Less than 5. So less than 5 till here we have the number line. So thicken it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a separate color to thicken it. Okay. So just carefully rub this part. Okay, nice. I did well, I think. Okay, thank you, Red Pen, for responding. Consider this as a thickened line. Okay. Back to black. I have to means try to explain everything. I will not means let you get confused. Alright. So that is nothing but I use the red pen to means suppose this is the means highlighted line or the thickened line which represents less than 5, all the integers there keeps going, and we have put a hollow circle on 5 because less than sign is there and it's a empty not empty, sorry, endless set. Okay, we don't know how many integers are there less than 5. That will be the answer for this question. Okay, now I will now go to the last question for today. This is very easy. All types of questions are same, and following these basic rules which you will come across in the steps of the sums, and you can be the king of this chapter. Number line, simple drawing, a 0 on the center of the line, and on left hand side negative numbers, right hand side positive numbers. Okay, that's the last sum for today. So last sum, what twist will it have? Will it have any twist? Let's see. Question 5, it will, okay, first of all let me make my number line means human. He's becoming a mad person. Okay, so let's make him human. Look at my 6 minus 1, 0 was here, I think. Yes. Okay, I think I'm not. This number line drawing on the board, it's hard actually. Will if you anytime do YouTube and you teach this chapter to your means viewers, then you will come across this. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, now it's okay. That's our human number line. Actually means repaired number line, I can say. Last question for today, which is the last question of this chapter. So it's a very easy one. We learn what is equation. Okay, and we so following the basic rules of algebra, just shifting this side, sign changes. Only this inequality signs, they have some means problems with the Change means changing of the signs. We also learned this rule: a less than b, then b greater than a greater than b, therefore b less than a. So if you are interchanging the positions of the numbers, then the sign gets changed. We also learned that. Okay, remember it. Don't forget it. Okay, now don't get rubbed my number 9. If you are irritating me, no worries. Last question. 4 into 3x plus 1 greater than 2 into 4x minus 1, comma, x is a negative integer. Wow, that's okay. Yes, this type of things can also be mentioned, but not changing the process, okay? There is a question: solve for x, represent on. Okay, I'm simply writing number line, okay? Understand it's represent on number line because all questions will be same. The equations again they will be different. So 4 into 3x plus 1 greater than 2 into 4x minus 1. Let's quickly solve this. Negative integer. That means what? So 0 is not a negative number, neither a positive number. So the numbers less than 0. Simply negative numbers, okay? Means from minus 1 onwards it will keep going on. So okay. Very good. 4 into 3x plus 1 greater than 2 into 4x minus 1. Let's open up the brackets, okay? 4 into 3x 12x plus 4 into 1 4 greater than 2 into 4x 8x minus 2 into 1 2, or let's shift the x terms to one side and the constant terms to the other side. 12x minus 8x greater than minus 2 minus 4, or 4x less than minus 6, or not less than, greater than, x greater than minus 6 by 4. Minus 6 by 4 it is x greater than 1 minus 1.5 comma x is okay, and x is greater than minus 1 by 5, and also x is a negative integer right here. X is a negative integer. Okay, now you tell me, greater than minus 1.5, what negative integer is there? Means it is actually what? Greater than minus 1.5 but less than 0. Minus 1 is only there, right? It's a negative integer, and greater than minus 1.5 only one negative integer is there, minus 1. After that 0 and 1 all positive numbers come out. So minus 1 will be the answer only. It's a definite set. There's fixed number of elements in the set. So it is not infinite, it's not uncountable, it is countable. X equal to minus 1. So what do we know for this countable sets? We have to represent the element by darkening it. Right. Okay. Done. This time I darkened it well. I think so. This pen has a problem because when you are writing it, after that it gets rubbed. Because I'm using red. Red was helping me, right? So basically just darken it like this. That's a system for fixed numbers which are not infinite. Just darken the answer, okay, like this on the number line. And that's the answer of this question. So very well, we solved it accordingly. And it's a negative integer greater than minus 1.5, which is minus 1. Fixed number, not means infinite. For finite set, the element or elements have to be represented separately like this. And that's the end of this chapter of linear inequations for class 8, covering all the concepts and number lines. Okay, remember these things. Okay, they are going to come in very handy when you solve all the sums. These concepts which stand for means infinite sets, like x greater than 3 natural number, then it's greater than, so put a hollow circle on the 3, and then in the positive direction make it endless till the end of the number line. Like here put a hollow circle and then make it thicker. Okay, less than or greater than sign is there, then hollow circle. Less than equal or greater than equal to sign is there, then darkened circle on the number. Remember these 9 theorems, which will be very useful, as you saw in some of the sums. These two got the use, but these are also useful. Okay, so that's the end of this chapter. Hope you found all the sums easy and everything was solved to you. So then, if you found my video on linear inequations part 2 number lines for class 8 informative and helpful, and actually if you found this chapter's videos very informative and helpful, okay, and all the sums and formulas and theorems that I taught you were solved for you, then leave a like, share and subscribe my channel. It motivates me to make better videos for my little brothers and sisters. And as this chapter is finished, next video for class 8 will be on a new chapter. I will not reveal it now. What will it be? So let me think. What can I come up with? And I will reveal it soon on the next video. Till then, with a lot of love from my side, take care and goodbye. Thank you.